Who knows what a Lisp is? Quick show of hands, anyone? Lisp is. It's the programming language that everybody says is just full of parentheses. But anyway, this is Hi. I think that's how you pronounce it. And it's a Lisp that you can run from within Python. Now, so if you don't know, code in a Lisp looks something like that. You've got your parentheses and then all your stuff goes inside them. Now, what's cool about Lisps is that list with +1, 2 in it can actually be meddled with and fiddled about with the programming language itself. So you can write code that then would take some code and then write more code based on that for you. One particular version of that code writing code for you is called a reader macro. So I think it's easier if I just show you what I'm doing. So here I have a Python file here with a function in it. Okay, that function is going to sum two numbers for me. So using this Lisp, you can pull in Python code that you have written elsewhere and use it. There we are. See, we still have 1, 2 adding to 3. And say I was teaching a queuing theory course. And people, they might not be particularly good at programming, but I still want them to be able to take examples of queues and fiddle about with them. So here from the wonderful queue library that our friend Geraint there at the back's written is how you would simulate what's called an MM1 queue. And in this same file as I pulled the other function from, I have a couple of functions that will quickly make an MM1 queue for you and give you a function to simulate it with. Now this next bit is me attempting to live code very quickly. So see how it goes. So I'm defining this macro called queue that if it receives the string MM1, it's all the way down the bottom, isn't it? So if our string is equal to MM1, and I've lost it. The dangers of live coding, eh? Then I'm going to tell that Python file of mine to go and make an MM1 queue for me. And so now I can just simply type here we are. So a queue in front of my quotes, MM1, is going to go off build, and it's not defined, is it?
Your import statement?
Yeah, I forgot. It's train wreck, isn't it? Oh, forget it.
Is it small MM1? Is it make MM1?
Yeah. How long have I got? 30 seconds.
Everyone remember to
Ah! Hey, did it. I got my arguments the wrong way round. So now I can very easily just say, simulate it for 10 time units. 10 time units and I get all my data back.